Shortcuts are nothing but combination of keys which help us to calculate or give command or copy or turn or split or hide or delete for us. In layman's language, it helps us to complete our desired work in a lesser processing time without changing our current selection of cell. So the first thing that we are going to do in shortcut, that is, we want to suppose we are having an example of Drew over here in column B, and I want the same cell, that is B2, to be repeated in B3. So there are two ways to do it. You can directly press Ctrl plus D and you will be able to see Drew name. In the same way, for basic, I want the same value to be written in my column C in third category, third row, that is. So I'll press Ctrl plus D and it will do the work. So we are doing it the same. In column F, row number 2, what we have done is we have added row C, D and E's total over here. And I'll again do the same. I'll press Ctrl plus D. Okay, and if I change any value, suppose I change the value of column D from 2500 to let's go with 3000. Okay, so it's going to be changed over here. But if there is a time when you don't want to do the same, suppose you want the same exact value that is there in the upper cell or the above cell, so what you need to do in that case is you simply need to press Control. First of all, I'm just removing it. So you simply need to press Control, Shift and quotation mark. And the same value will be pasted in the below cell. From the above cell, it will be pasted. So the formula to paste the same value from the above cell will be Control, Shift. Okay. Now the second shortcut we are going to talk about. The second shortcut is about how to calculate all the sum that are in numeric value by nearby area of a cell. So for that you don't need to do anything. You just need to press Alt plus equals to. Okay. So I'm doing here Alt plus equal to. And Excel is going to analyze the overall cell nearby it and they are going to catch it. It's very easy, friends. Excel is doing our works made so easy. So simply press Alt plus U and Excel को पता चल जाएगा, वो आजू बाजू देखेगा कि कहाँ से मुझे कैप्चर करना है डेटा, and Excel will analyze and take the sum. So usually what we were doing initially, इसके पहले हम जाते थे equals to करते थे, we used to write sum and then we used to select it. No need to do that, friends. Simply press Alt plus equals to and press enter. That's it. No work. And it's going to work horizontal and vertical in both ways. So it makes our work more easy. See, I'll show you guys. And simply then you can drag it. I'm pressing Ctrl plus D over here because I don't want just the value, I want the formula as well. So I'm pressing Ctrl plus D over here. So it's very much simple, friends. Alt plus U, again I will show you. So it's very simple. Let's go to the third shortcut, that is called the filter. Initially in 2016, if I am talking about Excel 2016, what is happening is, if we want to apply filter, we used to select the row and then we used to go to the editing, select it, and we select the filter option. That was an old method actually, friends. You can directly select the desired rows and select Ctrl Shift plus L and filter function will be applied. Many of you may be knowing about it. So let's go to the fourth shortcut. This shortcut is only available for Excel 2019 and Microsoft 365 users. If you want to select a particular row, suppose I want to select the row number 24, what I want to do is the whole row. I want to select the whole row. So I'll just simply press shift plus space and the whole row will be selected over here. In the same way, if I want to select a whole column, I want to select the D column whole from say the cell number 1 till the last. So I just need to press Control plus space. Over here there I have applied merger, so that's not happening. Just a second, I'll show you. See, Control plus space. There is only one limitation with this shortcut, that if you have applied any merge file in the same column that you are selecting, then this function is not going to work. There is one more shortcut that is called Control plus F1 that will help to hide the ribbon. This is called the ribbon. So if I'm having too much of data in my sheet, I simply need to press Control plus F1 and all the ribbon will be hide. So if you want to hide a ribbon, Control plus F1, that is the best. Okay. Now the merge. For merge, what we used to do is previously we used to select the cell and then we used to go to alignment and select merge and center. Usually we all do the same, but there is a shortcut for that as well. What you need to do is press Alt plus H plus M plus C. H, M and C. H, M and C. Very simple, friends. Last but the best shortcut key of this session of shortcuts. So please note this one. This one is going to help you a lot. This is the Shaktiman shortcut key, I can say. Okay. So Excel is very much smart. When we talk about 2019, Excel has become very much smart, and Excel can himself analyze the things, and you will be able to see it right now. So what we are going to do is, we are simply going to see, I'm having two columns over here, the name and the surname. Prabhu Sahu, Sunil Panda, Krishna Mistry, Apurva Khalasi, Vishal Nanavati. Both are there in different columns. That is, one is the column D and another one is in column C, if you can see it. But now I want to merge them together in column D without using any kind of formulas. Okay, I'm not going to use concatenate or any other developers formulas that usually people use. What I'll do is I'll simply write Prabhu Sahu. Okay, I'm writing Prabhu Sahu in column number D, cell number 34, and I'll press enter. After which I simply need to press Control plus E, and Excel will himself analyze that what I'm doing. Excel यहाँ वहाँ देखेगा मैंने जो मेरा ऊपर का सेल है उसमें मैंने क्या लिखा है. Excel will analyze that what is my requirement, and Excel will provide me those things. So if you are having a column B, C में आप कुछ भी रखिए, D में कुछ रखिए, and E column में if you are writing something, okay, Excel will analyze कि आप क्या लिख रहे हो. First Excel will analyze, and after that Excel is just going to provide us the result that we are desired. Okay, हमें जो result चाहिए, जो हमारा desired result है, Excel is going to provide us. So for that simply हमें कुछ नहीं करना है, Control plus E. Okay, I'll again show you. I'm simply not just take Prabhu, let's take Krishna. So I'm writing over here Krishna Mistry, and I'll press Control plus E. Control plus E, and you will be able to see that Excel is doing his job. So how was this shortcut function? Please let me know in the chat.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand.